Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bike Social and welcome to Cadwell Park. We're here for a Bennetts Track Day. This is one of 5 or sometimes 6 Bennetts Track Days that we put on each year. And our track days, the Bennetts Track Days, are for our Bike Social members. And there are so many different highlights. So not only is it discounted, but you also get less people per group, so more space on track. And you also get the likes of John McGuinness, who's been our brand ambassador for about 12 years now. He offers instruction. We've also got the likes of Chrissy Rouse here today, Dom Herbertson, Richard Cooper, Lee Bob Jackson as well. He was the lap record holder here at Cadwell Park for about 3 years. You get 100% suspension on site. You get a BSB mechanic on site. You also get free photographs from a professional BSB photographer. What more is there you need from your track days?
Yeah, having a great day. It's sun shining, one of the best tracks in the country, and riding around with the Bennetts customers, having a great time.
Yeah, it's been absolutely brilliant today. Weather's been fantastic. Few famous guys on track. Track conditions are great, so yeah, fantastic.
We're really lucky with the weather. It's great riding a bike when it's not chucking it down. It's a nice kind of low stress vibe. You know, no one's taking it too seriously, no one's going mental. When you're out on the track, you know, it's well organized, it's well run. The briefings are all good and easy, so yeah, there's a lot to like.
There's a bit more room on track. There's a few people having lessons and whatnot, but everybody's been dead respectful. It's nicer to go out where we're not quite so many people on track.
It's great. I mean, there are lots of really fast, quick guys around here, but everyone's dead friendly and, you know, easy to go and talk to. So if you want to go, you know, how are you finding such and such a corner, then everyone's like, yeah, that's great. Let's talk about it and let's, you know, have a laugh. So yeah, brilliant.
Yeah, a few customers came over and asked for us to go out with them, which I have done. And also, when I've just been out there just doing laps myself, I've spotted a few customers that I think could maybe not be faster, but definitely be safer. So I've just sort of pulled them to one side and just given them a few tips. A lot of the time it's just to calm down a little bit and get the basics right, which, like I say, not necessarily faster, but a whole lot safer.
I'm not here to go and pass you flat out on my bike. I'm here to be out in every session. Whether you're a little bit slower or you're intermediate or you're a fast group, come and talk to me, you know. I'm just a normal bod. I like people.
Well, normal people like me don't get to do that sort of thing, so, and I just learned that he were following me and he was saying what I'd done and whatnot, so, and there's a few guys, Coops and Herbertson, all on track at the same time and coaching people and showing them a few things, so it's absolutely brilliant. Get it booked, do it, don't be frightened. You can go at your own speed, you know, nobody's going to cut you out, you're not going to fall off, you know, it's absolutely fantastic. Where else can you ride on track with John McGuinness, Dominic Herbertson, Richard Cooper? You can't anywhere else, and it's really good value for money because it lasts all day as well. So plenty of track time, famous people, what more would you want?
£124. Try and find another track day where you've got suspension people here, you know, well organised, low stress, really easy organised, you know. It's just not possible. So yeah, that's cherry on the top, really.
So if you're not already a Bike Social member, then get signed up. It's bikesocial.co.uk/join.